and welcome to CBA's News Bulletin, broadcasting to you from Hargeisa. My name is Yunus Deko.
You are watching CBA TV. I am Wango Ngoge from Hargeisa. Thank you for keeping it CBA TV. Reaching out to our global viewers through digital and television platforms from our two major broadcast centers and exclusive reporting from East Africa and beyond.
From Nigeria, Ajara Ahmed Tijani reporting for CBA TV.
Join us in engaging talk shows and programs on a wide range of issues.
Mr. Ambassador, thank you for accepting our interview. My name is Hassan.
I'm Abdullahi Hassan. Welcome to Unscripted.
Welcome to Associate, proudly brought to you by CBA TV.
Welcome once again to Artflix.
I welcome you to your show, our show, CBA TV News Review.
Our digital platforms engage users everywhere. We inform, educate, and entertain. We are CBA TV, the voice of East Africa.